It's an interesting thing when you're trying to wean them off the event because there's a lot of stuff to account for. Like you might look at their event settings and you might take a look at them and be like, okay, these numbers are low and they look good. Let's try to take a next step further. Just because those settings look good, the ABG looks poor. It's probably not a good idea. You're setting your patient up and yourself for failure because if you're gonna do a pressure support trial or spontaneous breathing trial for too long of a time, the patient already has shitty internal numbers. Even when external numbers look good, the internal numbers are more important. So if they look shitty, don't push the patient because you might just push them over the edge and you put them on pressure support or do a breathing trial for a long time and they might code on you. So be careful with that. Make sure the internal numbers align with the external readings of your monitors as well.